Dagny, the magic dragon. Once upon a time, at a big, brick, mysterious place, there arrived a big, huge, beautiful purple dragon. This was not your ordinary dragon, though. This was Dagny, the most magical of dragons. Dagny arrived just in time, and she met many new friends who all loved her. Dagny decided to stay at this place her friends called the Steampunk Mansion. Dagny loved meeting new friends. Then one spring day, no one came over to play. Then another, and Dagny started to get very sad. Dagny didn't understand what was happening. Didn't people like her anymore? Dagny didn't understand what was happening. She didn't know what to do. She thought, and she pondered, and then she thought some more. After thinking for days, Dagny had an idea. Dagny decided she had to have fun even if no one came to visit. She should play and wave and enjoy her day until her friends could play again. Dagny went for adventures by herself. She played with a wagon. Then Dagny went for a boat ride. She played with her friend Bob. Dagny played and played. And then one day, Dagny's friends came back to play. 1 and 2, and then so many more. Dagny learned sometimes you can play with friends, and sometimes you have to play alone. Dagny learned that if she plays and keeps herself happy, her friends will be able to come play again someday, and she can tell them about all of her adventures. Dagny and her friends would love to meet you. As soon as it's time, come visit for a dragon ride and tour of Dagny's magical home, the Steampunk Mansion on Hacker Road. Until then, have fun and play at home.